how to turn off professional account on Instagram. In this video, I'm going to show you how to switch from a professional account to a personal account within the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to turn off professional account on Instagram, the first thing we need to do is open up the Instagram app on our iPhone or Android phone, then just select your profile icon in the bottom menu to navigate to your profile. Once you get to your Instagram profile, select the three horizontal lines in the top right to open the menu. Then simply scroll down and under For Professionals, you'll see Creator Tools and Controls. Select that. Now all we need to do is scroll all the way down and you'll see Switch Account Type. Select that and just select Switch to Personal Account. It'll give you a quick warning of the different things that you might lose access to, such as Ad Manager, different things like that. So once you're okay with that, select Switch to Personal Account, give it a second. And now when we navigate back to our profile, you can see that I no longer have the professional tools available because I now have a personal account. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.